Hi everybody. Today's demo is going to be on Fix-A-Stitch. I just wanted to show you how to use these. These are crochet, they're like crochet hooks, and they have a hook here and a hook here. One set comes with 3 different sizes, and then we have another set that comes for more lace work. With real tiny crochet hooks. And how you use it, I'm going to drop a stitch. I'm going to take out, and there's this is the simplest one to fix. You just stick your hook in there, and then you pick it up, and then you go and you pick up the next stitch, like this. Whoops. Just like that, and you've got your stitch back on your needle. Then when you have like garter like this, you know how that's a little more complicated to pick up. So this will show you why you need the 2 ends. Okay, I think that one is too big. We're going to try to go with it anyway. So there's my stitch. I'm going to put it in, and I'm going to go this way. Then I'm going to slip it through, and I'm going to use this side. And you just kind of have to get used to how to do it. And then you bring it back through. But you can see I didn't pick up that stitch. So I'm going to go back and get that stitch. Okay. So I'm going to pick it up, and then I'm going to take that back through, and I'm going to pull this one through, and then I'm going to pull this one through. And then it's back on your needle. And hopefully it all looks right. I have to see it, look a little bit closer at it, but that is how you use the Fix-It stitch. It's really pretty neat. And also there is, when you buy this, there's right here, you can go to the fixastitch.com, and they show you how to use it. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. We hope to see you soon. You have a good day, and talk to you later. Bye.